All right. Good morning. Guess who's back? My name is my name is Slim Shady. what is that? Okay, that's gone. All right. So rough day, rough day, rough day. I guess could we argue a bull flag? I guess we can argue a bull flag. I think everybody bailed out because they're waiting for the State of the Union. Really. Um, I mean, obviously, Russia's an issue. They're looking at that, but I mean, war's the time to buy, man. That's the short of the long. So that being said, I'm gonna call this a bull flag. And if we break today's high tomorrow, that flag should move. I mean, this was a pretty strong day down, but as far as a flag goes, that's a good retrace. If we ate up half the um, the move up, then I'd have to I'd have to back away from that as a flag. But this looks like a pretty good bull flag. So I'm neutral pending the bull flag on the S&P. The S&P, look at that. You know what that is? That ain't the Fed backing off, boy. That is not. That is a flight to safety. The U.S. is the only game in town. People are socking away some bonds, man. Europe's going to take a beating with these sanctions. There's no doubt about it. We're going to get a little hurt, but it's going to be nothing like Europe. But the other end of the coin is, my good friends, what is going to prosper or benefit from this? Growth stocks. So once we get a little understanding and we see what the Fed does, and we get a little more comfortable with what's going on in Ukraine, um, watch the growth stocks. Growth stocks. The VIX spiked. The market's tanked. The VIX spikes. Good reason. Lots of fear. We could accept that. Bitcoin, bibit, 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 Bitcoin. We talked about this being a cheesy bull flag right here. I explained that I don't like the wicks to the upside, but nonetheless, it's a bull flag. It's just not a good bull flag. We said breaking this high, this baby will move, and there she goes. So you're putting in a double top. You're looking at a little divergence. So watch this, man. If this starts pulling back, you could take a short breaking today's low. That would be an aggressive entry, and you might be able to ride that sucker down, pick up a few stickies. Um, you could keep an eye. I mean, this would be the same trend, but I think I'd do it on the 60. Keep an eye on that if you want a conservative entry. Nope, that'll make it even more aggressive, to tell you the truth. Think you could try that right there on the 30 minutes. See how you open up tomorrow. We'll look at it first thing in the morning. See how this opens up. If you could if it opens up above this line and breaks that line, that's a good move. And then just watch these pivots, and um, you could watch those for support and see if this thing will turn around. It may tag this line and turn around. It may tag that pivot and then turn around. It may tag that pivot and turn around. I mean, if it breaks that shoulder, it's gone, baby. Um, so, and this isn't textbook shooting star, but we could argue it's a shooting star. If it opens up low, then that's it. It's confirmed shooting star. You could try to find an entry on a smaller time frame, but that sucker might put a little move in, a little move in. So I made it up to the mountains. I'm at the mountains right now. Just trying to get settled, get everything together. It was hard getting up the mountain because there was snow on the mountain. But I had a four-wheel drive vehicle, and it did pull me up pretty good. Oh, oh, oh! What's going on here? How'd I get asked out? Um, that's all right. We don't need it. So yeah, that's what Bitcoin looks at like. And do we want to take a look at that AMC? AMC. Yeah, it's all right. It's no big deal. We were looking at, I think, um, this flag right here. I had said, why would you bother trading it? I mean, you could trade Bitcoin and it'll move much better. And point in case, you saw that flag triggered on Bitcoin and it moved much better. So you want volume and everything. But yeah, you're inside the pennant, breaking this pennant. It could move. If it doesn't move here, I wouldn't trade this pennant. You really don't want to get into this range right here. It kind of loses its momentum, dies out. Even if it breaks out, it's muted and unenjoyable. So find something you can enjoy. We looked at S&P. That okay, that's everything, man. So I'm a little worn out, but I'm gonna get a meditation in. I like to meditate in the morning and do a little bit in the afternoon. Um, I'm a little bit depressed because I did shovel snow today. I thought I was going to get away with it this season with no snow shoveling, but it actually feels good though to be up here. I missed it. It's been about 5 or 6 months since I've been in the mountains, and I enjoy it. Although I really like being on the water, um, but I'm here. I'm safe. My family's in the city. Just talking to them a little bit, um, and kind of getting a game plan. Putin's just got me a little worried. Taking this posture, getting his butt kicked. I don't know what his next move is going to be, and I mean, we'll be pretty well. I mean, we'll be able to prolong the agony up here if anything happens. But yeah, it'll be a hard fight to get away from the city. Oh, excuse me. But we're far enough where the initial blast would be nothing. God forbid there's a nuclear strike, and then we could just hang around until our ears start dropping off. I think I'm a little edgy after 9/11. Like those thoughts kind of just overwhelm me. So anyway, that's the whole program, and I'm half asleep, so I'm going to stop right here. Everybody have a good night. Remember, be calm and cool. Check out what Biden has to say. Oh man, I'm just not looking forward to this guy. And we shall catch you in the morning.